in your refrigerator? Let's see. This is our new diet. Okay, one thing left over from our previous diet is we did keep the rolled oats. I made a video on how to make these. These are slightly processed because the oats are processed. Behind that we have our milk that I use for the rolled oats. Carrots I keep in a jar to keep them fresh. Our filtered water. We have our yogurt in the back. 2 containers of yogurt. Some garlic and Artichoke Hearts. We have this meat. This is a beef sausage with pork casing. So we don't like to eat much pork. That's one thing our doctor told us to avoid. We have our eggs that are farm raised, healthier eggs. There's some broccoli, cauliflower. Those are for our salads. This is a new addition. I asked Steve for lettuce just because I missed it. But we probably won't get it again because it doesn't last as long, and the spinach is much healthier for you. That's what we typically eat. What's back here? This is another thing that's a little questionable. It says healthy noodle. That's for just a variety because we get tired of our limited diet. There's fresh stuff. We shop at big box stores, so we have big quantities. Here's avocado that's left over, so I put it in a container. Back to the second shelf. These are eggs that I've hard boiled, so I'm keeping them separate from these that I've put in there. Hidden in the back here, we've got some organic mushrooms. We have some organic feta cheese. Kirkland is Costco. Here's the last of our blueberries that we add to those rolled oats, and here's half of an orange because a whole orange has too much sugar. Steve likes to drink these flavored waters, seltzer water. I just drink regular water. I don't have a problem with that. Down here we have I have one of these once a day for lunch, and Steve will have them occasionally as well. And if I have it sometimes I'll have it for dinner if I skip it for lunch, but I don't want to have more than one a day because it is a carb. We have these. We just added these because Steve found these organic strawberries, which really taste great. He thought regular strawberries were starting to taste flavorless. So these, he thought are really, really good. In our first drawer, we have a big container of spinach. We use that in our salads. And we have carrots. Carrots are wonderful. They're a little high in sugar, natural sugar. And we have some cucumbers down there, an onion, some radishes, and a little bit of lettuce left over. In the next one, we have the rest of the bag. We have the rest of the bag of the onions. And in the bottom drawer, we have a bag of lemons. That's good to add to water. It's supposed to help with preventing kidney stones. And then we have these oranges that are generally pretty large, so we try to eat half each day or half at a time. We have some plums. On this side, we have lots of cheese, Mexican Ford cheese, mozzarella cheese, extra sharp, pepper and we have this pure Irish butter from grass-fed cows. Now to the sides. On the side, we have some more of the Greek yogurt, some half and half. The sauce I use when I make my burgers in the air fryer. And then up here we have some salsa and some hot sauce, some mustard, and this applesauce I bought for my grandson before I knew even though it says unsweetened, it has a lot of high natural sugar. And I also bought him some little puddings, which are also high in sugar, so we haven't given him those. They're still there. On this side, we have more feta cheese. Our daughter left her dressing here because she doesn't like our oil and vinegar. We don't use dressing anymore. We have some chicken broth. Then we have olives and some mixed nut butter and hearts of palm. Here's about to storm. Scared. She's a little scared of that storm. Sierra keeps running back and forth with her anxieties. I think Sierra may be making Ava nervous.